If you want to connect Facebook to Epic Games, this video will walk you through the full process step by step in just a few minutes. Linking your accounts can make it easier to manage your profile, access social features, and keep your gaming accounts connected in one place. I'll show you exactly where to go, what to click, and what to do if you're prompted to log in or approve permissions. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick gaming tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your browser and go to the Epic Games website. Once you're on the homepage, look toward the top right corner of the screen and click your profile icon. This is where Epic keeps your account options, settings, and connected services. After that, from the menu that appears, select Account. This will take you to your Epic Games account dashboard, where you can manage everything related to your profile. Now that you're inside your account settings, look for the section called Linked Accounts. This is the area where Epic Games lets you connect third-party platforms like Facebook, PlayStation, Xbox, Nintendo, and more. When you find the Facebook option, click Continue. Epic will then start the linking process and redirect you to Facebook so you can sign in and confirm the connection. At this point, enter your Facebook login details if you're not already signed in. Make sure you're using the correct Facebook account that you want linked to Epic Games. This is important, especially if you have more than one Facebook profile. Once you're logged in, Facebook will usually ask you to review the permissions that Epic Games is requesting. Go through that prompt carefully and allow the permissions so the two accounts can be connected properly. After you approve the request, Facebook and Epic Games will finish linking automatically. You should see confirmation that the account connection was successful. Once that's done, your Facebook account is now connected to your Epic Games profile, and you can return to your account settings anytime to manage or remove the connection later if needed. If you don't see the Facebook option right away, double check that you're on the correct Epic Games account and that your browser is up to date. Sometimes refreshing the page or signing out and back in can help if the account menu isn't loading properly. Also, if you're on mobile, the process may look a little different, but the same basic steps still apply. Go to your account, find linked accounts, and approve the connection through Facebook. That's all there is to it. You've now connected Facebook to Epic Games in just a few simple steps. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.